What's up YouTube? Heading to Cuba soon? Whether you're planning to relax on the beach or explore the vibrant culture, there are a few essential items you want to pack to make your trip smoother. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahim Muyong. I do travel, food and adventure videos. Hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family and hit that like and share button if you like this video. Now, let's dive in. First, we have bug spray. When we visited Cuba, we were absolutely swarmed by mosquitoes. The tropical climate combined with the humidity and lush vegetation creates the perfect breeding ground for these little pests. We definitely learned the hard way just how essential bug spray is. Trust me, you don't want to end up with bites all over your body and itching the entire time. Bug spray will help protect you from mosquitoes and other insects, which is especially important if you plan on being outside in the evenings or visiting more rural areas. It's one of the first things I'd recommend packing. Second, we have ketchup. Cuban food tends to be more basic and milder in flavor compared to what many travelers might be used to. They can sometimes lack the bold seasoning or spices you're accustomed to. Ketchup can be a great way to add an extra burst of flavor to your meals, especially with grilled meats, rice, beans, or simpler dishes. It's a small comfort that can make a big difference when you're craving a familiar taste. Next, we have barbecue sauce. Not every day you're gonna wanna have ketchup. You know, Cuban cuisine is known for its straightforward flavor, and you might find that some grilled meats or sandwiches could benefit from a little extra zing. Barbecue sauce is perfect for adding that smoky, tangy flavor to pork, chicken, or even rice dishes. It can enhance meals that might otherwise feel a bit plain, giving you a more familiar and satisfying dining experience. Next, we have Pepto Bismal. Cuban cuisine can sometimes cause stomach upset, especially if your digestive system isn't used to the new ingredients or preparation methods. Pepto Bismal is great for helping with mild gastrointestinal issues like nausea, heartburn, or indigestion. Some medical supplies can be limited in some areas. It's a good idea to bring your own so you're prepared in case of any digestive discomfort during your trip. Next, we have Tylenol. Tylenol is an essential to bring along for headaches, muscle aches, or general discomfort. Cuba's tropical climate and the active nature of travel might bring on mild aches, especially if you're out sightseeing or adjusting to a new routine. While you can find medications locally, they may not be the exact brand or type you're used to. So having Tylenol on hand ensures you can handle any minor pains with ease and continue enjoying your trip. Next, we have rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is an underrated but essential item for your Cuba trip. The heat, humidity, and outdoor activities can lead to minor cuts, insect bites, or skin irritation. Rubbing alcohol can be used for disinfecting small wounds, cleaning your skin, or even smoothing sore muscles. Additionally, it's effective for cooling off in the heat. Just a quick swipe on your skin can feel refreshing. Since rubbing alcohol may not always be readily available in all areas, it's best to pack your own as a precaution. That was it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that like and share button so more people could see this video, and hit that subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube family. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.